everyone, I'm Kate Neary and welcome to this edition of GM Spring Hill. Quality starts here. A lot of planning goes into a new General Motors product, and that's what goes on here in the Workplace Development Center. Part of that planning involves applying innovative processes in the plant. That was evident recently when the very first Spring Hill-built Chevrolet Traverse made its way into General Assembly.
It's very cool. It's awesome. We're building a Chevy.
Today is the first day, really, of a culmination of a lot of things we've been doing for the past 2.5 years, okay? There's two events taking place this morning. One on the far side of the plant. We're actually foaming the very first vehicle, getting all the sound deadening into that vehicle, letting that team work that. And on this side of the plant right here, what you see is us building the first set of doors. Now, up to now, the only thing we've been able to do is verify everything in a computer environment, work it in a static environment over at the Workplace Development Center. Now today, getting it on the line is the event we've been waiting for.
This morning we're putting in the acoustic foam. The acoustic foam gives us our sealing properties, and it also gives us the acoustic properties. Well, the value is sealing. It seals off cavities that we would normally use baffles. It's easy to make changes with the foam. If we would have to make a change to a baffle, you go through design time, you go through tooling. With the acoustic foam, we walk over, we change a couple knobs, reprogram, and you have a different foam shot.
That we're the first two people to build a car in GA. I mean, we know we got people working in body and all, but we'll be the very first two in GA to ever touch the car. So we're ahead of everybody.
It's exciting to have a new product and a new process, and hopefully the customer will be very happy with this new process.
What we're doing here on this line, we're doing the door assembly. Other areas of the plant, we're going to be doing the headliner assembly, and then we're also going to do the tire and rim area. This group of team members that I got here, team leaders that I've got here, are a very good group of team leaders. I mean, they're very excited about what they're doing here. They're, energized. They're really ready to tackle any job that General Motors can throw at them.
Today is the first day that we're actually running the line and sending the cockpit down the line as we build it. We've been over in WDC for a couple of weeks learning our job, so this is the first day that the line is actually moved for us to build online. I've been in this plant for 16 years, and I wasn't here for the beginning of the first car, but this time I've actually been able to be here and start the process for the Traverse, and it's exciting that we do have something that's really unique.
I'm telling you, this is the first time that this cockpit has seen this line. So it's coming from all the practice that these guys did up at the WDC, and now they're going to take those learnings and bring them down here on the floor. So this is the first day that these guys have seen the actual floor itself and the setup down here on the cockpit line itself. So it's going to be an exciting day. These guys are really pumped up about this. And once we get the team members back, they'll also be pumped up as well. So great day for everybody here in Traverse Land.
Being a Spring Hill old-timer, anytime you do these first, and that's what that actually is, it's our first vehicle, it's a whole lot of excitement. You can look at it, you talk to and see people today, smiles are on their faces, everybody's getting energized, and this is what Spring Hill lives on. We thrive on this type of excitement. That's what separates us completely from all the other plants, not only General Motors, but all the other corporations around the world.
Once complete, that first Spring Hill-built Traverse was on display in the Northfield building. Plant leaders, UAW leaders, and others were on hand to take a closer look.
Well, this was the first opportunity that we had to go ahead and take a look at the first Spring Hill built Traverse, and so it was a great day for Spring Hill. We had all of the team members that were responsible for it out to take a look at it. We did a walk around with all the leadership. So for this vehicle to be at this stage in terms of where it's at right now with non-production intent parts, what our team members have been able to do with this has been fantastic. And of course, our maintenance organization is doing a bang-up job down there in the plant right now, making sure that the facilities are ready and that we're ready to rock and roll here come August and September for the launch of this product.
Beautiful day in Tennessee, isn't it? Gorgeous outside, and look at this gorgeous product. I am so proud of the folks here who have helped bring this product to life. It's like a rebirth, as I said before. It's like a rebirth of Spring Hill, Tennessee. A brand new car. And we're gonna have a great time. It's not going to be easy, but the people here in Spring Hill, Tennessee know how to deliver. They've proven it over and over and over again. And here's another example of some fine proof. This is a great looking product. Can't wait to see it coming off the line, folks.
And there's a long tradition of a winning team and great launches at this location. And I think that this product behind us here is really a tribute to the leadership and the team members who have been able to go ahead and put it together. And this is an early product. It's beautiful. Everybody's really excited about launching it, and I can tell you we've been waiting a long time for this product.
I would just like to thank, I see all our UAW members that had hands-on these vehicles. Mike and I do keep up on this, and we know that you guys have done a great job with these vehicles, so we want to thank you. And we're all four of us are looking forward to getting this into the plant. We want to move this into the plant. This is a great vehicle, and I can't tell you how thankful and excited I am.
A lot of energy's here. And I know this is a winning organization. I just look forward to being part of it and helping everybody achieve the success that I know we're going to attain. So look forward to looking at the vehicle. I do plan to get the sleeves rolled up, hands on it, and help make this thing great.
A new plant, a new product, and a few new people. Among the new people is the site manager for Spring Hill, Mike Quinton. Let's meet him.
Came here from Doraville, and Doraville, Atlanta area is home. I started out with General Motors at the old Lakewood plant in Atlanta, and then I moved. I moved to Shreveport and Fort Wayne and Baltimore and Oshawa, around and around. This is my 10th stop with the corporation. So all my life has been in assembly plants. This is my life is work at the assembly plants. Out of 35 years I've worked with GM, all but 18 months have been at assembly plants. I worked up in central office for a while as a process guardian for quality. So married forever. I'm married to a really fine lady. I have 3 children that are grown, and 2 of those are in Atlanta with 1 granddaughter there in Atlanta. You know, you get basically a brand new plant, a brand new product. That doesn't happen that often. I mean, how often these things get redesigned? Every 5 to 6 years. What frequency do you go through and do the type of plant renovation, you know, that we've seen here at Spring Hill? That doesn't happen. Obviously, the place has been here 20 years. This is the first time that you've had this type of major renovation inside a facility. So it's, you know, it's going to be, you know, just an exciting time, a challenging time. And, you know, I like challenges. I like to win. And we're going to win. I mean, we obviously have a great vehicle here. The organization here is fantastic. I mean, the people, you know, there's a great reputation for the folks at Spring Hill, you know, that they've worked and earned over the years. So, I mean, you put that together with a big challenge and a lot of people that want to do well, that's what's fun about this job. So, really looking forward to it.
Innovative processes are required to create a world-class paint finish on the Chevrolet Traverse. Paint shop visitors and team members will have some new requirements to ensure our product is the best that it can be.
We're at the new Spring Hill Paint Shop, where we're going to be painting the new Chevrolet Traverse. It's a new shop, so we have a lot of new procedures in place to ensure that we're providing our customers the highest level of quality paint job. Every team member as well as visitors have to successfully complete a crater test. And what a crater test is to ensure that a person or a team member's personal hygiene products can't contaminate the vehicle. As a team member comes on board in the paint shop as well as visitors, we take them to the paint mix room where they have all of the names of folks in a book. The person who's administering the test will hand them panels, and then the team member takes their 2 panels and they put it on a table and cleans the panels with isopropyl alcohol to make sure that there's nothing already on the panels that could cause or be a contributor. So then the panels are placed down, the team members clean them, then they're asked to rub their hands across both panels, and then they're also shaking the armpits of their lint-freeze over the panels, and they're also going to be shaking their hair over the panel to ensure that there's no things like shampoos, hair gels, or hairsprays that could be contaminating. From that, the rack of panels are either sprayed in prime or sprayed in clear coat. Then the panels are baked, okay, and then they're evaluated to determine if they've caused craters. This is an example when we talk about people's personal hygiene products or things like fabric softeners or detergents that you'd use on your clothes, which indicates why we have to wear lint-freeze and not have our normal street clothes on when we come into the paint shop. The team member, when they come to work, they come through the front door, they'll go to their lint-free locker, and they'll pull out a lint-free outfit like I'm wearing, and the company does provide those. They provide a pair for every day, so they can put a new, clean pair on. They'll put it on, and they will zip it all the way to the top, snap it. It has to be completely snapped, free of rips and tears. The interesting thing is you cannot launder these lint-frees at home. They must be returned at the plant and washed at one of the GM-approved washing facilities to ensure the right chemicals are being utilized. So the team member then, in his lint-freeze, walks through the blow-off. And again, the blow-off simply shoots air at a small pressure on the team member so that they can, any debris, any particles that may be on their lint-freeze would be removed. The team members here are passionate about implementing it and executing so that we can ensure a flawless launch and have a very, very good paint job.
Everybody's excited that we're getting back, so it's a new process, so therefore, hey, we're just going to get in there and go with the flow.
We want to build a vehicle that sets a standard for everyone else in our corporation and the industry to follow.
Give our customers the best job that they want, because that's the first thing they're going to see, is the paint job. So we have to give them what they want to keep them buying our product, which is a new product, and we're proud of it.
So everybody is excited about this thing, and I'm glad to know that I'm part of this team, that we really have a passion for this type of thing now, that we're going to do whatever it takes to prevent people just coming in here and bringing any kind of contamination or any kind of foreign object that could actually mar our beautiful paint job that we plan to produce.
Well, that's it for this edition. We hope we are leaving you better informed about our plant, our product, and our people. Join us again for the next edition of GM Spring Hill. Quality starts here.